Hi friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit First, Abstract Windowing Toolkit, Basic Controls, Applet Panel. These things we have studied. We are now studying Layout Managers. From that Layout Managers, in the previous lecture, we have completed Flow Layout, Border Layout. What is Flow Layout? What is Border Layout? How to use the Flow Layout and Border Layout, like these things. In the current lecture, we are going to study card layout and grid layouts. Lecture number 10, grid layout. Before this studying grid layout, we need to keep in mind that what is grid? We need to consider what is grid. Grid is nothing but the combination of rows and columns. And that design we can implement by using the grid layout manager. What is grid layout? A grid layout lays out components in a two-dimensional grid. Two-dimensional grid means rows and columns like structure. Grid layout lays out components in a two-dimensional grid. When we instantiate a grid layout, we define the number of rows, number of columns. The constructors supported by grid layout are shown here. There are three constructors supported by the grid layout. First, grid layout, default constructor which does not have the parameters. Second, grid layout, integer num rows, comma, integer num calls, which has two parameters, num rows and num calls. These are the two parameters we are passing here. Third constructor, grid layout, integer num rows, integer num calls, integer horizontal, integer vertical. Four parameters here, num rows, num calls, horizontal and vertical. These are the four parameters we have passed in the third constructor. These are the three constructors supported by the grid layout. The first form creates a single column grid layout. Default constructor which is used to create the single column grid layout structure. The second form creates a grid layout with the specified number of rows and specified number of columns. In the second form, two parameters we have passed, num rows, num calls, num columns, and this specify the number of rows and number of columns in the window. The third form allows you to specify the horizontal and vertical space left between components in horizontal and vertical respectively. In third form, we have also added two extra parameters, horizontal and vertical, and these specify the horizontal and vertical space left between components in hors and verts variables respectively. Either num rows or num columns can be 0. Specifying num rows as 0 allows for unlimited length column, or you can specify the num columns as 0 which allows for unlimited length rows. Like these three constructors we can use to design the grid layout. Here consider one example, grid layout demo. In that example, which creates a 4x4 grid and fills it in with 15 buttons, each labeled with its index number, like this 1 2 3 4. Okay. This window is divided into 4 number of rows, 4 number of columns, 4 column, 4 rows. Like this window we can divide, and that design is done by using the grid layout. Let us take this example, study this example. Grid layout. Title for this example: demonstration of grid layout. First thing, we need to import some packages which are required for the support of the GUI, support of the applet. For that, import java.awt.star semicolon. Second package, import java.applet.star semicolon. Start the multi-line comment. Next, start the applet tag. In that, applet code equal to grid layout demo, width equal to 600, height equal to 400. Like this you can take the values for this height, width. Next, close this tag, close the applet tag, close multi-line comment. Like this initial coding you can do. Next, start the class, public class grid layout demo extends applet. Open the class body, open curly bracket. Here we can declare one variable, static final integer n equal to 4 semicolon. Start the init method, public void init, open close, open the init method, curly bracket open. Next line, set the layout for this window, and that layout is grid layout. Here we are, by using set layout method, we can set the layout. Set layout into bracket new grid layout into bracket n comma n. N we have already initialized, that is 4, means 4 comma 4. Close the circular bracket, close circular bracket, semicolon. This sets the grid layout for this window, that is of 4 by 4, 4 number of rows, 4 number of columns. Next, set font method, which sets the font for the cursor. Set font, new font, which font we are going to set here? Sans serif font. So set font into bracket new font into bracket double quotation sans serif comma font dot bold. Font style we are specifying bold and its size 24 comma 24. Set font into bracket new font into bracket double quotation sans serif double quotation complete comma font dot bold comma 24, close circular bracket, close the circular bracket, semicolon. Next, we have taken for loop to add the controls. For integer I equal to 0 semicolon, I less than n semicolon, I plus plus, close the circular bracket, open the body of the for, open curly bracket. Next, take another one for nesting of the for integer j equal to 0 semicolon, j less than n semicolon, j plus plus, close the circular bracket, open the curly bracket for. Next, take another one variable, integer k equal to I into n plus j. We are designing the index for the controls by using like this, integer k equal to I into n plus j. Next, if k greater than 0, if k greater than 0, then what to do? Then we can do here, add the control to the window. Which control? Button. If k greater than 0, add into bracket new button into bracket double quotation plus k, bracket complete semicolon. Like this number of buttons are added into the for. Close the curly bracket of inside for, close the curly bracket of outside for, close the curly bracket of init, close the curly bracket of, or close the class. Like this program you can perform. Okay, let's see the output for this program. Start command prompt, java c space grid layout demo dot java. Everything okay, compilation is successful. Applet viewer, to run the applet code, applet, we need to write the applet viewer, applet viewer space grid layout demo dot java. See the output, 4 by 4, 4 number of rows, 4 number of columns are added, or that window is divided into 4 by 4, and all the controls, button controls are added here, and its index we have designed using some formula. You can study that formula, or you can simply keep in mind that, and like this you can perform the grid layout program. Okay, so you go through another one example. Suppose we want to perform the grid layout operation like this. I can consider or take another one example. In that example I am going to modify here some things. The class name gl demo, here is also class name gl demo extends applet. Here this line I can erase it. Public void init set layout new grid layout. Here 3, 2, like this I can take on, set the font. Next you can remove this all things, for all things here started init. In that set we have set the layout new grid layout 3, 2 means 3 into 2, 6 partition of that window will take, and 6 components or 4 components we can add into the window. And that window, so I am taking the label L1 equal to new label into bracket double quotation bracket complete semicolon. Here you can write the enter your name, enter your name, like this way. Copy, label L2 equal to new label, enter your, here you can specify the first no, I am taking here enter your no, enter the first number, enter first number, enter second number, like this. Next text field P1 equal to new text field into bracket 10 text field T2 equal to new text field. Next button add equal to new button into bracket add. After this, creating these controls, we need to add these controls to the window. Sequence of this syntax is add method, add into bracket L1 space add enter, add into bracket L1 T1, add into bracket L2, add into bracket T2, add into bracket button name, caption, add 1 2 3, like this we can begin. Add 1 2 3, object name, control, like this. Where is curly bracket for this? Close the curly bracket. Like this you can perform this program also, and save this program as GL demo. Yes, okay, compile this program, Java C GL demo. Compilation is okay. Then applet viewer, gldemo.java. See here, enter first number. Here text field is added, first label, second label, and here text field, and here button 1 is added, and here you can see the output. You can write the text field 3 or anything. Like this design you can do by using the grid layout, which can specify the number of rows and number of columns for the window. Like this way we can perform the grid layout example. Got this? Okay, next point, card layout. The card layout class is unique among the other layout managers in that it stores several different layouts. Card layout, everyone has playing cards game. In that playing cards, the total card bunch is placed in a deck, and in that deck any one card can be enabled, card can be seen. All the cards can't be seen at the same time. Like this design can be done by using the card layout. So card layout class is unique among the other layout managers in that it stores several different layouts. For each and every card we can mention its own layout manager, so it stores the several different layouts. So it is a unique among the other layout managers. Each layout can be thought of as being on a separate index card. Each layout we can be thought of as being on a separate index card in a deck that can be shuffled so that any card is on top at a given time. After shuffling, any card can be on a top at a given time, and this can be useful for user interfaces with optional components that can be dynamically enabled and disabled upon user input. We can prepare the other layouts and have them hidden, ready to be activated when needed. To perform all these things, card layout provides following these two constructors: card layout default constructor, card layout into bracket integer horizontal, integer vertical. The first form creates a default card layout. The second form allows us to specify the horizontal and vertical space left between components in horizontal and vertical respectively. Which are the components we are adding? In that between the components, horizontal and vertical space is given by using these two parameters, and these are the two constructors: card layout default, card layout into bracket integer horizontal comma integer vertical. Use of a card layout requires a bit more work than the other layouts. Remaining layouts, or which are the previous layouts we have studied, that are somewhat very simple. And to work with this card layout, we require some bit more work than the other layouts. The cards are typically held in an object of type panel. Means the cards are the objects of panel, and this panel must have card layout selected as its layout manager. One of the main panel which has its layout manager selected as a card layout. The cards that form the deck are also typically objects of type panel. Which are the cards we are designing, that cards are also the objects of type panel. Thus, we must create a panel that contains the deck and a panel for each card in the deck. Next, we add to the appropriate panel the components that form each card. For each card, we need to add some appropriate components. We then add these panels to the panel for which card layout is the layout manager. Finally, we add this panel to the window. Once all these steps are complete, we must provide some way for the user to select between cards, and that way is provided by using one common approach, is to include one push button for each card in the deck. For each card we need to provide one push button. It is a common way, or another way you can use also. When card panels are added to a panel, they are usually given a name. By using this name, card names, we can distinguish them. Thus, most of the time we will use this form of add method when adding cards to a panel. And that add method syntax: void add component panel obj comma object name. Void add into bracket component panel obj comma object name. Here name is a string that specifies the name of the card whose panel is specified by panel obj. After we have created a deck, our program activates card by calling one of the following methods defined by card layout. To cycle through these cards, we need to use the methods of card layout, and that methods are void first into bracket container deck, void last into bracket container deck, void next into bracket container deck, void previous into bracket container deck, void show into bracket container deck comma string card name. Here deck is a reference to the container, usually a panel. Where container we have used here is the panel, usually that is a panel. So here deck is a reference to the container, usually a panel, that holds the cards, and card name is the name of a card. Calling First method causes the first card in the deck to be shown. To show the last card, we need to call the last method. To show the next card, we need to call the next method. To show the previous card, we need to call the previous method. And to show a card, we need to call the show method. To show the previous card, call previous method. Both next and previous automatically cycle back to the top or bottom of the deck respectively. The show method displays the card whose name is passed in card name. That card name parameter, what is the card name we are passed, that card will be shown by using the show method. To study this card layout, we are taking one example. Consider the following example, which creates a two-level card deck that allows the user to select an operating system. Windows-based operating systems are displayed in one card. Macintosh and Solaris are displayed in the other card. Like this, two output windows are there. First one is the first card, Windows, and other Windows XP, Windows Vista. This is the first card. And second window, that is a Solaris and Mac OS, like this, two windows. And to design like this syntax, we need to use the card layout. And the card layout example you can see here. Title for this program: demonstration of card layout. Import the packages. Import java.awt.star semicolon. Import java.awt.event.star to handle the events. Import java.applet.star semicolon. Start the multi-line comment. Next, start the applet tag. Applet code equal to card layout demo. Width equal to 700. Height equal to 400. Close this tag. Close the applet tag. Close the multi-line comment. Next, start the class. Public class card layout demo extends applet implements action listener, comma mouse listener. Here, to handle the button click events, button related events, action listener is responsible for, and to handle the mouse clicks, for that mouse listener is responsible. So in this program we have handled these two types of events, so we need to implement here action listener and mouse listener. Public class card layout demo extends applet implements action listener, comma mouse listener. Open curly bracket, open the class. Next, initialize checkboxes. Checkbox Windows XP, Win XP, comma Win Vista, comma Solaris, comma Mac. These are the four checkboxes. First panel, panel object, panel OS cards. This is the for the deck, main panel. Next, card layout. Card layout, its object card LO. Card layouts object card LO. Next, button, two buttons we have declared here, win comma other button. These are the two buttons. Declaration over. Now start the initialization method. Public void init, open curly bracket, win button or button win equal to new button, caption for the Windows, other equal to new button into bracket double quotation other. This is the buttons, Windows and other. These are the two buttons we have created. Add these buttons to the window. Add win, add other. These buttons are added to the applet window. Now next, card LO. This is the object of card layout. Initialization, creation of the card LO object. Card LO equal to new card layout. OS cards equal to new panel, creation of this panel. Now OS cards equal to new panel, open close semicolon, these objects are created. Now OS cards dot set layout, OS cards dot set layout method sets the layout, and which layout? Card layout, and that's object is the card LO. For that, OS cards dot set layout into bracket card LO, which sets the set panel layout to card layout. Next, WinXP is the checkbox. WinXP equal to new checkbox into bracket Windows XP, comma null, it's grouping null, checkbox group value, comma true. True means already checked. Bracket complete semicolon. Next, Windows Vista equal to new checkbox into bracket Windows Vista. Like this. Solaris equal to new checkbox into bracket double quotation Solaris, double quotation complete, bracket complete semicolon. Next, Mac equal to new checkbox into bracket double quotation Mac OS, double quotation complete semicolon. Add these controls to the panels. Add these checkboxes to a panel. For that, another one panel we have taken, panel, Windows panel, WinPan equal to new panel, and to that WinPan we are adding the control. For that, write the syntax like this: WinPan dot add Windows XP. For that panel, this control Windows XP checkbox will be added. WinPan dot add Windows Vista, Win Vista. Like this, two checkboxes are added for the WinPan. Next, add other OS checkboxes to a panel. For that, panel other pan equal to new panel. Then other pan dot add into bracket Solaris object, bracket complete semicolon. Other pan dot add into bracket Mac, bracket complete. Like this, for other pan we have added two checkboxes, Solaris and Mac. And after this, add these new two panels to the OS cards panel. Add panels to card deck panel, that is the OS cards. OS cards dot add WinPan object, comma, its name Windows. Next, OS cards dot add into bracket other pan, comma, into bracket double quotation other, bracket complete semicolon. Like this, you can use the syntax for adding the other panels to the deck panel. After that, add cards to main applet window. Means all the syntax will be done, but OS cards, this is on another panel, and this panel we need to add to our applet window, and that is done by using the syntax same way. Add into bracket OS cards, like this. Okay, we have added these controls to the window. Now these controls, buttons and mouse events, for handling the button event, mouse event, we need to register these events. For that, register to receive action events, button, button is there, win dot add action listener into bracket this to handle the button event. Like the other is also button, other dot add action listener into bracket this. To register mouse events, to register the mouse event, we are using directly add mouse listener into bracket this, like this syntax, or like this code, add mouse listener into bracket this. Like way you can add this register for the events. To receive action events, win dot add action listener into bracket this, other dot add action listener into bracket this. To register mouse events, add mouse listener into bracket this, close the init method. Okay, next cycle through panels means to change the panel or to select a panel that operation we can do like this method. Public wide mouse pressed, suppose we are pressing the mouse, then for that mouse events are we have registered, and to do that method you can use like this: public wide mouse pressed m small p capital into bracket mouse event class and its object me. Public wide mouse pressed into bracket mouse event me bracket complete open curly bracket, and to that curly bracket here you can write the card lo dot next into bracket os cards, card layout object dot next into bracket os cards, which cycles through the next we can call that like this. Okay, next mouse listener provides other methods also, and that methods we are implementing here empty. Okay, implement the provide empty implementations for the other mouse listener methods, and all these mouse listener or action listener we are going to study in third chapter. So only keep in mind that we need to implement some empty implementation here, and that implementation we can do like this: public wide mouse clicked mouse event me open close curly bracket. This is an empty implementation. Next same way mouse clicked, then after that public wide mouse entered mouse event me open close. Next public wide mouse exited mouse event me open close. Next public wide mouse released into bracket mouse event me open close. Like this mouse events we can define here empty implementations: clicked, entered, exited, released. Only we have handled here only a mouse pressed. Here mouse pressed, this method we have used here. For that we are written the code here, and other methods we have written the empty implementation. Next, whenever we are clicking on the buttons, then action event is generated. To handle this action event, action performed method is there, and that method is provided by action listener interface, and for that we are using like this: public wide action performed action event ae object open curly bracket if ae dot get source. Here get source method returns the object of the control. So whenever we are clicking on any button which returns the button's object, okay, then if ae dot get source open close double equal to win, this is the object, then open curly bracket card lo dot show os cards, card lo dot show os cards comma that is windows, its name is the windows card you can show. From that os card show the card windows, like this syntax. If ae dot get source equal to double equal to win open curly bracket card lo dot show into bracket os cards comma windows double quotation complete bracket complete semicolon curly bracket close. Else here we have only two buttons, so else card lo dot show os cards comma other semicolon close the else, close the action performed method, close the class. Like this way you can perform the card layout example. See the how output we can see on the screen: java c space card layout demo dot java. Okay, compilation is successful. Applet viewer card layout dot java demo dot java. Okay, this is our output window. Default windows, whenever you are clicking on windows controls are displayed. Whenever you are clicking on a other button, here Solaris and Mac OS is displayed. Whenever we are clicking on this window, mouse operations, here cycle through, that for that purpose where mouse pressed event we have handled, and that event related operation can you see on the screen. When we are clicking on cycle through, this is performed by mouse clicking, and whenever we are clicking on windows related controls are displayed. When we are clicking on other card will be active. Here two cards are there. From that we can click on the button common way, or you can click on the mouse. By using this you can perform the card layout operation, card layout program. Like this you can do this programming. Thank you friends for watching this. If you have any query regarding previous lectures and current lecture, you can directly contact me or WhatsApp or email or directly call. And like, subscribe and share the video. Comment for this video also. Thank you once again. Thank you.